Welcome back, boys and girls. It's Mr. Rockneck. Are you ready to do another drawing with me? Go grab your pencil, paper, and eraser, and we'll begin. Friends, remember, if you need more time to draw, you can always pause the video at any time. Hello, friends. Are you ready to draw with Mr. Rockneck? Okay, so we are going to draw a rectangle and another slant and line going down next to it. Then we're going to make a triangle shape. Can you guess what this is? We're going to draw a half of a circle onto our rectangle that we made and one a little bigger next to it. Now we're going to draw a square above our rectangle and finish drawing our rectangle up and down. We're going to draw another rectangle sideways with two lines in it. Next, we're going to draw a line going down sideways with a straight line and another half circle. We're going to connect this all the way on to our other rectangle. With another rectangle, we're going to draw in between the half circle. Now we're going to add a half circle going up to our arc of our other circle that we made. Last, we are going to draw another rectangle sideways. Can we tell what this is, friends? I think it's a scooter. Friends, remember, you can color your scooter any color you like. I'm going to color mine blue since that is my favorite color. I added a hint of black to my scooter because that way I could really see the outline of it.
$1 zillion. The question is, who let the dogs out? 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 Who let the dogs out?
Sometimes when I'm feeling low, I know I can use my imagination. Come on now, imagine with me together we'll play happy when we use our imagination. Let's pretend this bed is a boat. Let's pretend that chair is a rocket ship. We can go anywhere we want when we use our imagination. We can fly to the moon, set sail on the ocean blue. We can be anything we want to be when we use our imagination. Clap your hands, sing along with me.
Thanks for drawing with me, friends. I hope you join me next time.